So there's a whole lot of noise that the market is crashing. Is it though? So let's look at some numbers versus a few years back. Even to 2023, when interest rates jumped to 7%, we were at days on market for Orange County was like 24 days, which was high compared to what we were seeing during the pandemic, in which was down to like 15, 16, 11 days. So it did jump up to 24. In the city of Orange, it jumped up to 41 days. So right now, are we higher than the last month? Maybe. But right now, the average days on market in the city of Orange is 9 days. So sure, it's not 2 or 3. And yes, the media is telling you it's up 28%. But if you're looking at it overall, it's still relatively low. Is active inventory up? Yes. But is it where it needs to be to help with affordability? No, it's not. Month supply in the city of Orange is at 2 months, which is up 22%, which is fantastic. Still a seller's market. Anything up to 3 months worth of inventory is considered a seller's market. And then you go 3 to 6 and it's a neutral market. 6 to 9 months would be a buyer's market. So the market is still very strong here in Orange, Anaheim Hills, pretty much most of Orange County. There's some cities that are not doing as well. The average sales price in the city of Orange is just over 1.3, which is up 26%. Anaheim Hills is at just over 1.1, which is down 2%. But Anaheim Hills is a little bit tricky because they have those huge homes that sell every once in a while for 3, 4, 5 million. It tweaks their stats. So my guess is that in April they had a bunch of those big sales, and then they didn't have them in June and July, which is why their numbers are showing as a decrease. But if you look at July of 2022, Anaheim Hills was at, well, that's not a good example. Let's go back further. If you look at, let's go all the way back 5 years ago. So January of 2019, Anaheim Hills was at 773, and now it's at 1.14. Nobody is staying in their house for a year, 2 years, maybe, right? So yes, your prices are going to fluctuate from month to month, but if you're in it for the long haul, and by long haul, I mean maybe 5 years, you're gaining equity, right? So if you're concerned about what the market is doing, and in real time, over the weekend at Caliber, I think there was 4 escrows opened. So people are still buying, the market is still moving, good things are still happening. But if you want specific information, please reach out to us. All of the stats that I just talked to you, I was reading off of my screen. If you want those specific stats for your neighborhood, your city, please reach out to us. We're here to help.